Hi guys, Michelle is speaking. I'm super excited to talk to you. I hope you are doing well and your trading is moving. Okay. I want to use this time to say congratulations for purchasing this strategy. And if you have been among people, among my subscribers, among my students using these strategies, I've already shared this strategy with them and it's doing massively well. I myself have back tested. I've used it to trade. It's really massive. It's really doing well, guys. So right now I'm going to show you how this strategy work. It's not that difficult, only that's a little thing to change here. Okay, a little thing to change here. More especially, you can use this strategy to kill crash boom, crash boom, guys. Then if you want to, for volatility indices, is very good also, but if you want to be killing it back to back with crash and boom, whether especially you are selling crash and buying boom, this is the best strategy and it's very hot, guys. So only if you follow the instructions, this strategy will be coming up with 99.5% accurate strategy and 99.5% unbeatable strategy version 3.0. All right, version 3.0. So the setup is not much. I'm sure that any person that getting this strategy will still have the version 3.0. Okay, so the setup is not gonna be hard. If you have purchased my strategy before, you will notice I always tell people to risk wisely. Manage your risk is very important. Okay, if you want to last long in this business, make sure that you risk wisely. Don't just trade like you want to make everything just in one day. No, it's not done that way, guys. But with this, if you follow the rules, you're gonna make money, guys. All right, you're gonna make money. So as you can see here, how this strategy works from this point. After you check if you are buying from 1 minute time frame or selling from 1 minute time frame, you can see what is going on here, right? See, let me just show you. See, see here, see here. These markets have been falling down since then, right? I entered this market here. I entered it here, as you can see, but it requires patience. Okay, it requires patience, guys. The market have to sell, buy up to this level, right? Then fall. I say okay, let me leave it. Still fall, go down. This strategy is made especially for catching spike. Why I leave this trade to be running down is that I have done my analysis, technical analysis. That one is for mentorship, how to analyze trade, know whether to hold your trade for a long time or just for a short term. But this strategy I'm showing you here now currently is for catching spike. It's for catching spike, guys. For you to trade short term, if the spike, you take your profit, guys. With this, you can be making a lot of money. You can make 50, 100, 200, $500 in a day, depending your equity. All right. So that is what this strategy is for. It's gonna help you. So pay attention. All right. So I'm gonna take you to my demo account right now. I'm gonna take you to my demo account so that you can be able to let me show you other things there. So let me open a fresh demo account to show you. Maybe if I see a good trade there too, I will still take. All right, let's go, guys. So guys, these are my demo account right here. So I'm gonna show you how to set this strategy up, guys. In this strategy, if you want to use it to trade crash and boom, you don't necessarily need the indicators and in the indicators, the more 200 or envelope in the main chart. Okay, what you should be looking is these two indicators here. This strategy is boom. This strategy is very, very hot. It's 99.5% accurate. No strategy is 100%. Okay, it works, guys. So pay attention to this video because it's very, very important for you to understand how it works. So I'm gonna take you to, let's set it up. Let me show you how to set it up, guys. You click F button, then your main chart, you go to relative strength index. Okay, relative strength index. That is once you click main chart, this is relative you see relative strength index as in indicator window 1. You click on relative strength index. First parameter is 10, guys. Apply to close. Apply to close. Don't forget that. Style 2p sale. Level you can use a level 87, 90, 10, 7. It's okay. 87, 90, 10, 7. All right, so you put your style, click on done. Okay, click on done upper here, so it will come up. Then you come again, click on F button, you go to your envelope. You're gonna use 10, guys. In this strategy here, you are gonna use 10 envelope, guys. 10 here. So this 10 period, shift 0, deviation 0.100, simple, apply to close. You see the upper brand 2pc, lower brand 2pc, no level, you click on done, guys. You have to go back again and click on F button, click on moving average. This moving average we're gonna take now is 5, period, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Apply to close. Then styles 2pc, you click on done. That is the first indicator here. You are done with it, guys. The one I'm talking about is here. Okay, you set it up. If you don't understand it, watch this video again. As you're watching it, you can pin those things down. Okay, you can pin them down to understand very clear. Then you have to go back again to indicator window 1, and please get indicator window 2, which is this one. Click on stochastic oscillator. This is what you are going to use. See the period 1, K period 1, D period 1, low in 1, price feed low slash high, method simple, men. You see exactly how I set my up here, guys. Still use exactly. So that is it. Use it exactly. Then the level, see the level 99, 90, 50, 70, 10, 5, 30, 80, guys. It's very, very important. You set it that way. Okay, you set it that way. then you click on done. All right, you click on done. That is you now go for relative strength index. Your relative strength index should be 8 here. Should be 8. Apply to close. Then to PCL, you choose any color of your choice, guys. You click on done. So right now, this strategy is set up, guys. This strategy is set up, guys. Now the question is, what are you gonna look up? You can use second level. Second level is cool. Second level is cool. All right, but for you to get a better entry, guys, you squeeze your screen to the last. In this strategy, what you need is patience. All right, what you need is patience here. What you need is patience with this strategy. You should no loss, guys. Even if you have loss, it's gonna be small, little loss. Okay, this is the strategy I'm using in the Telegram channel. So you are fortunate enough to have this strategy right now, and you should be making money with it. You should be making money. I don't want to be hearing loss or blowing an account. If you are using this strategy, guys, this is boom. So what are the criteria? What are the terms and conditions, guys? Make sure that the RSI is above 90 here. Have entered 90. All right. See, let me tell you something, guys. It's better that don't rush to enter this trade, except maybe you have a good equity. If you don't have a good equity, don't just rush because you have seen the RSI just enter 80 or 90. Just click sell. No, you just click sell. No, watch here. This thing also work with support and resistance. Once you see that these have entered here, RSI have entered, and your envelope, listen very carefully, guys, and your envelope is touching 89. Your envelope and the 5 moving the 10 moving average, right? See what I'm talking about here. Make sure that this 5 moving average, which is black, and your envelope, which is this, they are both touching the 89, and RSI 10 have already crossed. Watch very well. I've already crossed to heading to 89 to 90. I've entered, is not 90 level, right? 90 level, right? And you come here again, check if this RSI on stochastic oscillator is touching 90 also. If it is on 90, remember this level you have checked this level, right? Then you are good to go, guys. You are good to go, guys. Okay, so what you need to do there to make your trade very strong, for you to be sure of what is happening, okay, you can draw a line where the market is heading to. See, this is exactly what I did. You draw a line, come to your 5-minute time frame 5-minute time frame, check if there is a strong support. This strategy will work very well with support and resistance on 5 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. As you can see here, I find out that this is a strong support level. I check here, then I know that I check, I know that something must happen. All right, I check that. Then that is when I click that trade. Okay, that is where I take that trade here. Remember, in my real account, the place I take the trade, let me show you what I'm talking about in my real account. As you can see here, from the line I draw, remember, as of then, like I told you, this trade, I entered it here. The time I entered it, these have entered the 90 level. And if you check here, there was, you really need patience here because this really move up to this level. This one move up to this level. So once both of them have entered and you check your support and resistance level in your 5-minute time frame, okay, you take your trade and exercise little patience. Exercise little patience. Then, if you don't have enough equity, what are you gonna use? Use sales limit. Use sell limit. All right. Use sell limit to sell your trade. You don't need to just click immediately. Once you check out that okay, this market is heading, then you check your 5 minutes time frame. What do you need to do? You just come here and place your sales limit. Come here, put your sales limit, set it up. Use this number here, 90.0926. Set your sales limit so that it's not gonna take you too long. It's not gonna take you it's not gonna put fear in you. All right, you're not going to be scared, being panicking. All right, just so that once you reach there, it will trigger. Okay, that is also how to place this trade here. So you make sure that you meet these terms and condition. All right, and if you see what's happened here to still help you know what you are doing, see exactly what happened here. See exactly what happened here, guys. See the 5 minutes time frame. You see it. If you check very well, you even find out that the 5 minutes level is touching 90. It's already touching 90. The 5 minutes is touching 90, guys. Okay, it's touching 90. But once you are in a 1 minute time frame, you check this out. This meets these terms and condition. Remember what I just said now. Watch out here. Watch out here, guys. You see? You see? All right. Then check the nearest support close to that trade. You can use 5 minutes to check the nearest support or resistance zone so that you to build your confidence. You know that once you hit the resistance or the support, something must happen. Okay, once you reach the resistance level, something must what happen. Once you reach support, if you are buying, something must happen. All right, so this is the resistance zone here. Now what you need to do is just take your trade and just wait a little. Remember, before this drop, it just take me like let's say 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So that is what you're talking about here. You need to hold your trade. If you know that you don't have a good equity, you can't hold, just use sell limit, extend it up so that you will not be that more afraid. Just use sell limit, or you you place your trade first, then go up and add sales limit so that one trade will be running for the main time sheet in case it dropped, then the other is going to trigger. Are you getting the point? Then also use stop loss. All right. Like I said, nothing is 100%, but this strategy is 99.5% accurate strategy. All right. So you can move your Excel here. All right. You use 5 minutes to move your SL. Okay. You can move your Excel, give your Excel. But I'm telling you, it's not gonna hit it if you meet all these terms and conditions. Just risk wisely, like I always say, risk wisely. Okay. If you put your stop loss here, it's not that far. Okay, here it's not that far. All right, because imagine, see here, I'm risking here this zone from here to here. It's okay by me. Then I'm getting this. Then now I have moved my Excel to this point. All right, I've moved my Excel to this point. So even if the market goes back, I'm still in huge profit, guys. I'm still in huge profit. So if it drops down, good and fine. If it does not and go and hit my SL, I'm still on profit. Okay. Then if you know that you don't have enough equity, don't, please, if you don't have a good equity, don't go move your SL to this point. Just use a tight stop loss. Okay. Just use a tight stop loss. But make sure that you can use sales limit. Use sales limit. I repeat it again. If you don't have enough equity, use sales limit. But if you have good equity, you can place and have patience. It's gonna drop, guys. It's gonna drop. What this really need is patience. And if you don't have patience, no need of you coming to trading. Trading highly need patience, guys. So let's go back to demo account. Let me show you what another thing. So guys, hopefully you understand how to trade crash and boom with this. The same thing if you are buying, let's see back text. Okay, if you are buying boom, all right, if you are buying boom, all right, if you are buying boom, see the same thing happens here, guys. See here, see what happened here, see what happened here, see what happened there. Boom. See what I'm talking about here. You see it? Check it. This. See what I'm talking about here. You see? You see this? You see this? Boom, guys. It meets the criteria. Place your trade. You're gonna boom. Okay? If you don't have a good equity, you do what? You take your profit. From here to here is much more peep. Even if you make $10 from $5 from each spike, $10, $5, $2 is something. It's better than losing. Imagine in a day you do this like 10 times, you are making a whole lot of amount of money. Let's say you are doing it $5 depending on your account size, or if you are doing it $10 depending the lot size you use and your account size times how many times you do it in a day, you know how much you'll be cashing out, guys. So you see this boom, it has been booming up. All right, it has been booming up here. Then let's see check something here. This is our 5 minutes time frame. You see here, there was a very strong support. All right, there is a very strong support here. There is a very strong support. If you take this trade from here, see this zone I'm drawing, you find out that there is a very strong support here. So something huge is happening. Okay, see, so see, check here also. See, then see this one here. Then this one is coming down here. You have draw your support. Any your 1 and the 2 minutes time frame, your 1 minute time frame is already coming down. Watch out what I'm talking about here. See it here. See it. So with this strategy, guys, you are good to go. This is boom. With this strategy here, you are good to go. Okay. So if you don't have good equity, see what happened here. Let's say you take this trade, then immediately boom, you move your stop loss here to break even to secure the bag. You move it down to here so that no matter anything that happens, you're not gonna lose. You boom, boom, retrace, boom, boom. Okay, you put your Excel, you move your Excel above entry here. Then you see exactly what happened here. You find out that this guy boom here, boom, boom, boom. It has been going up. Okay, it has been going up, going massively up here. So if you understand your technical analysis, how to price action very well, if you understand price action, if you want to know how to trade price action, make sure you analyze from H1, H4, 30 minutes time frame, then from H1, but from H1, D1, H4, analyze your chart very well. You look out for the big picture if you want to trade for a long term. If you want to trade for a long term, but if you just want to scalp and make your money daily, these are 5 minutes and 1 minute is okay with this strategy, guys. 5 minutes, 1 minute is okay if you follow these rules. If you follow these rules, I have received a lot of testimonies from people using this strategy. So I strongly believe too, you will share your own testimonies. What I really need you here is to pay close attention, follow instruction, guys. I really want you to be profitable. I love you and I want you to win. Please. It's not about the money you use to purchase the strategy here. The most important thing here is for you to gain massively back more than what you are expecting. And this strategy currently now is one of the best. It's one of the best. It's too hot, right? If you follow it, you're gonna make money trading crash and boom, guys. You're gonna make money trading crash and boom, following these instructions, guys. And remember to always secure the bag. Okay, always secure the bag. If you make money, well, move your Excel. Make sure that you move your Excel. I don't like when people they will be seeing profit at the end of the day, their profit will turn to loss. It's not good at all. All right, you make sure that you do what? You move your Excel. Move your Excel above entry. Okay, so that at the end of the day, let's say you trade here, you can move your Excel here and watch it. If you hit here, you are still on profit. The little one, you manage it. But if you now boom, 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 go up to this extent, guys, you know how much we are talking about here. Very big money. All right. So, and if you reaches here, you know how many pips we are talking about here. That is a very big money. Okay. And if you check how the chart respect this strategy, since then it has not touched. It has not touched again. Even if you check here, you find out that here was trying to go down, here is touching, but this one is not touching, guys. So you don't need to place any trade here. So you need to hold your trade. It goes up, it goes up, it goes up. Since then, it has not dropped. It's still money, guys. So if you pay close attention to this strategy, you'll be making massive money every day, guys. You'll be making money, right? So this strategy, you can still use it to trade other pairs. You can use it to trade other pairs, guys. You can use it to trade other pairs. We have check, boom, crash. You have seen how to do it. You have seen how to do it here. Okay. You have seen how to do it with all right, we're gonna take this trade now. Let's watch out how it goes, guys. We're gonna take this trade. We're gonna take this trade to see what you're talking about, guys. Okay, think this trade, this is very, very good, guys. So I'm gonna take this trade here right now. This is my demo account here. Let's take the trade. So guys, if you want to know how to remember why I take this trade, remember why I take this trade is because if you check out here, here is touching, here is touching, right? And looking at 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame is already going to, is at 80 level, going to 90 level. Is cool. Okay, and that is a strong support here. Looking at this, looking at here. So I know that if okay guys, you see what happened. You just see what happened here. You just see what happened. You just see what happened, guys. You see it, what just happened now. So this strategy work, guy. It works. Okay, it really work. It really work. So in this point, let's say you are using big, I know that it's still gonna drop more. It's still gonna drop more. If you don't have enough if you don't have enough equity, you can just close this. Just here, the time it drop, if you're watching it, it should be $2. That $5 totally, we make 2 point something, 2 point something. So totally we make $5 within just few minutes like this. Okay, we make $5 within 4 point something, close to $5. So imagine when you close this trade just like that. You close it, but I'm still expecting it to drop more. That is if you have big lot, if you have big account, if you have account that come up, you can leave it. But if you don't have, just close, wait for another entry, and still, because it's still gonna drop more. Okay, this trade is still gonna drop more. I know it's still gonna drop more. If you have at least, if I'm to take it, I'm gonna make sure that I move my my stop loss is gonna be here above the last one. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that my stop loss is above here. So that is just it. So I'm gonna make sure that you see, I move my stop loss to this. I'm gonna make sure that I move my stop loss here. If you have big accounts, you leave your stop loss to that point. But if you don't have, just cap, leave that little profit and go, because it may move up again. It may move up again before dropping down massively. But I'm assuring you, from what I'm seeing from this chart, it's still gonna drop massively down, guys. It's still gonna drop massively down, guys. So that is how this strategy work, guys. Hope you are enjoying this strategy. Please Give me your feedback after you test this strategy. You can practice it on demo before going on live. Practice very well. Not just buy any strategy. You don't pay attention to it. Study this strategy. You're going to make a lot of money from this strategy. You're going to make big money from using this strategy. The money you use and bought it, if you pay close attention, you just make it in a couple of days. Okay, just a couple of days, you have make back and you'll be a massive profit, because people are dropping down testimonies, big testimonies about this strategy, guys. So make sure that you study. So you can still use this strategy, and can use this strategy to trade other pairs. Okay, like volatility pairs is still cool. Let's check here, but here you need to use 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 30 minutes time frame is cool to trade with this 30 minutes time frame. Here we are not seeing a good entry here. No good entry here, so that means we're gonna leave it. No good entry. If you see a good entry, I will take trade here. I'm show you how it works. No good entry here yet. Yeah, use 30 minutes or 15 minutes to check if you want to trade it with other pairs. Like here, you can see here. See what happened here. Okay, here was oversold. Okay, that is what give this move here. Okay, and you know this move in 30 minutes time frame, you know what it means. You know what it means, guys. It's a very big profit from here to here. Let's check something. I'm coming, guys. I want to make sure that this video worth it. That is why I'm taking it slow. I'm just slow. Okay, I don't want you to understand it. I want you to be profitable. I'm not rushing it. Okay, so pay attention very well so that you understand something. All right, so let's say this. Okay, from here, let's check your 1 minute time frame. I'm not even sure you're gonna see it. Let's see if you can. Okay, it's a very nice move here. See, so from here to here, you know how many pips? Okay, if you are using 0.50, here is more than $10. If you are using minimum lot size, let's say you take two positions, you make $20 from here to here. So that's what we're talking about here. So here you use, if you want to use this one, you go for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is okay. 15 minutes, you make sure that 15 minutes is touching very well. 15 minutes is okay. But more especially for you to have a good entry, 30 minutes is okay. Like even if you are seeing your 15 minutes is still touching. But if you know how to analyze trade price action, then you will now know to hold. Like I said, that one that is what I teach in my mentorship. So if you make money from this, come for mentorship, guys. You come for mentorship. But if you don't want to be stressing yourself in price action, you say you don't want to learn it, it's very, very good though, because it will help you to hold your trade for long. Okay, it will help you to hold your trade too long and still make more money. But if you say you don't want, this strategy is perfectly well for you. You can make a whole lot of money using this strategy. Okay, using this strategy. So it's up to you guys. I told you. I told you guys. I told you earlier on that I'm expecting more spike. Okay, I told you already that I'm expecting more spike. So I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, guys. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, guys. And I say that you're gonna make money with this banger strategy. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. If I say that you're gonna make money using this strategy, don't doubt me. This strategy worth it. It's worth it. Okay. So as you can see here, it drops. I told you that I'm expecting more spike. So from here we have already make $9. This is close to $20 here. Okay. From the time this drop, okay, it's already going up. We make close to $20. Just call it out $20. If you like, you can close your trade then. So guys, that is what we are talking about here. So this strategy is boom. You're gonna make massive money using this strategy. Okay, it's very, very good, guys. So I'm still trying to see if I can see a very nice. Here you really need patience, guys. Don't just hurry. If you hurry, you're gonna lose money so much in trading. But if you just pay attention, relax your mind, instead of calling people here and there to manage account for you with this strategy, just be doing your thing, right? You make a lot of money. You're gonna make a lot of money, guys. I'm assuring you that this strategy is 99.5%. Hardly you lose here. Okay, hardly you lose money here. And if you lose, that is one thing in trading. You must not win every day. I must tell you the truth. No strategy is 100%. No strategy work 100%, because even you and I, we all are imperfect humans. So what we create is imperfect things. So it's not 100%. So, but this is 99%. With this, if you are following the instruction, you are sure of making good money every day, weekly, monthly, by you. All right. So guys, that is it. I'm still checking if I can see good entry. So that means we're gonna check from V10. Like, see, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you're enjoying it, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop tips on how to become a successful trader, YouTube gonna notify you guys. All right. Remember, I love you, and I really want you to win. I want you to win. I want you to be a successful, profitable trader. Right. And if you're following instructions, you're gonna become one day. If you have not, you're gonna become one day, right? And if you make money using this strategy, come back for mentorship. Need mentorship. Learn many things from me and how to trade successfully. All right. So you have a lot of things to learn. Okay. See here, Volatility 75 have been buying massively. Has been buying massively. You can still use if you want to trade volatility pairs, If you still want to be winning more, you can still use 20 level. Okay, if you want to buy 20 level, but me, I'm not in a hurry. If the markets have not touched this 10, because once you're touching this 10, I know that sure is an oversold. So if I'm entering with confidence. Okay, so if you have not reached, guys, leave the market. Just leave it and go. All right, you just leave it and go. Like, this is a perfect although sometimes volatility 25 do misbehave. I don't know if you have noticed this. So anytime you are trading volatility 75 25x 25x, be very, very careful, guys. I must tell you. You just drop a little here. You just drop a little here. Okay, you just drop a little here, but this is a good sign for entry. But this volatility 25 is a very risk, one of the risk trade, volatility 25 and volatility 50. If you don't have a big account, guys, be very, very careful. More especially if you don't and the market is on uptrend or downtrend. Okay, like this is on uptrend. This market is on uptrend here. So for it to respect, it's still moving up. For it to come down, I see it's still morning, but our strategy is still give us a little peep. So here, if you are trading this guy, be very, very careful. But if this guy start giving you profit, you'll be happy. You understand? If you even check what happened here, he even touched 50 level, which I normally use as TV sometimes, depending on the market. See, me, I don't care of holding market till next month. Too. I prefer taking $20, $30 in a day, make some dollars, all right, then get out of the market. Not placing trade, your mind will hang. If you're a swing trader, you want to swing for 1 week, 2 weeks, just analyze it and chart. It's still cool by you. Every person know how he trade, but me, I'm okay with the way I trade. So even if you take this trade here, it's still gonna give you a little money. Okay, but if you are trading volatility 25x and volatility 50x, volatility 75, volatility 25 and 75, this strategy, you respect this strategy so much, especially if you meet the terms and conditions, you're gonna enjoy it. Then 25, be very, very careful with this guy. Seriously, although he give us a little peep, because from here we make a lot of money, little money. See what happened here. From down here. So we make a little peep here. It's not much, and if you just place it and relax your mind here, and it's hitting 50, and you just relax your mind, it's gonna take away your profit and put you into loss. So when you are trading it, please be very, very careful. Okay, I'm telling you this because I really want you to win. Okay, for now, I'm not seeing a good trade currently. Now I'm not seeing a good trade, guys. If I see, I will show you. This one is not meeting our terms and conditions. You see, it's not meeting. Okay, this is still the 25x. This one is not meeting our terms and condition. Okay, it's not meeting. Okay. This one is not meeting. Only that this stuff, our 5 moving average and the envelope is touching the level 10. We are waiting for the RSI to touch 10 also. Okay, that is exactly what we are waiting here now. Okay, we are waiting this guy to drop to this level, then this guy to drop to this level. Okay, if both of them are touching the 10-10, all right, 10-10, we are good to go. All right, we are good to go. If you check what happened here, it was a boom. You see it? Imagine when you are picking this trade, you make sure that it's hitting the both of this line. All right, so this is hitting the 80 level, this is hitting 80 level, it's hitting 80 level, this is hitting 80 level, is hitting together. All right, see what I'm talking about here? So if you check here, it's touching there, it's touching here. So you can check your trade, boom, selling down. All right, it's selling down, sell more down. Then you still check other higher time frames. All right, so this is cool here. Had it been that I've touched this 10, I would have taken this trade. Okay, then remember I told you volatility 50, 1x, and volatility 25, they are very dangerous pairs. So any trading them, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful if you really want to win. Be very, very careful. Right? So these ones are not meeting our terms and conditions yet. They are not. Even their 15 minutes time frame is not. So no need of taking this trade. It's not. It's not. If you want to know what I'm talking about, see what happened here. See what happened here. 80 level. See 80 level. See 80 level. See here. All right. See what I'm saying here. Check it. It was boom. Okay. It was boom. So guys, imagine you're trading from here. You know how many pips? If you are using 15 minutes time frame, like I told you, you can take trade with this 15 or 30 minutes time frame. Then boom and crash. You check 1 minute and 5 minutes. You are good to go. All right. So that is it. That's view 100. So we are checking. Well, I did not see any good setup here, so no need to take any entry. So when this happen, if you are not seeing good entry, just relax your mind, come back maybe in few minutes or in few hours, or you can still be checking your boom and crash. Okay, you can still be checking your boom and crash if they have meet the terms and the condition. Okay, if they have meet the terms and condition. Okay, if they have meet the terms and condition. If they meet the terms and condition, you can take the trade. So that is it. Make sure that you risk wisely. Okay, make sure that you risk wisely. Is very, very important. So this video is already long, and I know that you have learned a lot from this video. You have learned a lot from this strategy you purchase. So guys, stick to it, pay attention to it. You're gonna enjoy it. Okay, you're gonna enjoy it. See what happened here. See here. See also here. See, it was boom, boom. So if you are back testing this strategy, you know that it really works, guys. So I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate. Talk to you guys soon, and see you in my mentorship class very, very soon. Have a wonderful day and keep growing your account. I want your portfolio to be very, very big. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop tips, videos on how to become a successful, profitable trader, YouTube gonna notify you. I'm still Mitchell. Trade with Mitchell. I love you guys. Bye for now.